Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about jicama, and I've got a list of specific foods and flavoring combinations that are known to go well with jicama. So if you're looking for some different side dish, snack, recipe, meal ideas using jicama, hopefully this will help you out. Combine jicama with apples and zucchini, jicama with arugula, horseradish, mustard, and red onions, jicama with avocado, cilantro, and citrus fruits of your choice, for instance, grapefruit or oranges. Combine jicama with avocado and citrus, orange or grapefruit, and radishes. How about jicama with black beans, cucumbers, mint, and rice wine vinegar? Or jicama with cayenne, cilantro, lime, onions, orange, and papaya. Or jicama with cayenne, greens of any type, lemon, lime, and papaya. Or jicama with chili pepper flakes, lime, and peanuts. Jicama with chili powder, lime juice, and salt. Jicama with cilantro and orange. How about jicama with cucumbers and lime? Or jicama with grapefruit, pecans, and red cabbage in a salad. I do hope this helps you out. Take care now. Bye.